know. This is a food, a jerk chicken poutine.
Okay. It's a little bit on the gamey side. They should have cooked a little bit more.
Pick up your boy, yo.
You already know. We're at JerkFest 2025 Toronto Centennial Park. Came out here kind of late. Came out here to test the food, check out the performances. You already know this is Machiavelli. Let's go. Yes. Smelling good out here. So, master. Oh, your chicken's smelling nice though. I'm not gonna lie. What is that? Oh, catch it.
This is the jerk chicken.
Yeah.
Right with poutine, jerk chicken poutine.
Jerk chicken poutine? Oh shit. That look crazy still, I'm not even gonna lie.
Come, yo. Video now.
Yeah, video.
Come, you know, I have guns.
Boom.
Underscore that. Guns underscore that. On Instagram, show me up. Bam, two poutine.
You already know. But.
Alright.
Fuck, I dropped a chicken. I'm cheese. It's like $12 down the drain right there. $10, whatever.
You know what? This.
What's that?
Jerk chicken sandwich.
Okay.
Hold a second. It's a food, you know. This is a food, a jerk chicken poutine.
Okay.
Remember to tag me. When you don't tag me, we'll have it out. You see me? I'm Jamaican, them understand me. Come.
But. I don't even want the rice, fam.
But guess what? I'm sorry that you're sorry, but sorry's not good enough for me, baby.
Do I quarter right now? Let me get a quarter pot jerk chicken. Let me get the jerk chicken poutine. Credit. Bless.
Hey, care about my feelings, no, you're not a time.
Come again? Map. I don't know what that is, but you can tell just by looking at it, it's spicy. Fuck, ghost pepper? Oh, let me get napkins and a fork. Yeah, real jerk.
Taste that shit right now.
Yeah, it's about to go down. Yeah.
What's the channel?
Come again?
What's your channel?
Oh, it's a Vibe TV. Huh? It's a Vibe TV.
It's a Vibe TV. Pick up your boy, yo.
You already know. Boom. All right. Respect, broski. Respect. All right, so we got the jerk chicken poutine. It's looking crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Never seen nothing like this in my life. You got a bit of greens on it. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's spinach or what. Parsley? Okay. So we got parsley on the top. We got the pieces of chicken. All right, let me take a bite. Right off the bat. Woo! Spicy. It has that grilled taste, that real grilled taste. Jerk chicken's loaded with flavor.
Better expression.
So yeah, the jerk poutine, as you can see. Just gotta taste of those fries. Fries go crazy. Yeah, this is sour poutine, I'm not even gonna lie. Good amount of cheese. They have like a sweet gravy. Peppers are doing their thing. Jerk chicken is on point. What I'm gonna give this, like a solid 9 out of 10. So I'm gonna put in. Alright, the jerk chicken itself. You see the jerk chicken. Nice and juicy, based off the looks. Nice little crispiness to it. Alright, let's taste it. Wow. Loaded with flavor. The skin is like on point. Perfect crisp to it. The jerk is just a powerful jerk. The grilled fish, charcoal grilled fish. Oh my god, it's amazing. Definitely one of the best drinks I've ever had. When I come back, I mean it's a festival, but if I could find the actual store where it's at, I would definitely go over there try this again. Solid jerk. When I rate this, I'm gonna give it like a 9 out of 10. It's a solid jerk. I fuck with it. Shout out to Cold Pot Jerk. That's where I got this food from. Alright, let's go.
Oh, everybody sing with me. Everybody sing with me. Everybody come on, shout.
Bop, 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 bop.
If you're not doing it, say bop, 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 bop.
Bop, 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 bop.
Wings?
You have wings, jerk sauce.
Let me get that. How much is that? 20 bucks? Yeah, let me get a festival with it still. You have mac and cheese? Or that done? It's hot out here, bro. Holy. Dying. I don't know if it's the liquor or, you know, shit. Or the actual heat. Alright, so what is this? What is this, Chuck? Simply authentic. No, the jerk house. The jerk house. We're gonna keep the camera on me. So this is the house of jerk. We're trying the jerk poutine, not the jerk poutine, the jerk wings, and we're trying the giving us a festival. And if we can get some mac and cheese, we're getting some mac and cheese. Oh shit! I fucked this up. Boom. All right, that's everything, right? Okay, thank you. Take a look at this. Boom. Jerk chicken wings. Well, it's fried wings with jerk sauce on it. We got 2 big old festivals in here. All right, so we got the jerk house food right here. I got some jerk wings. Well, it's actually some fried wings with some jerk sauce on it, and they gave me like 2 big long pieces of festival. No diddy. All right, we try the festival out first. Okay. Not too tough. Not too soft at the same time. Nice sweet flavor. Not warm, but it's still solid. Me, I'm not really a festival guy, but I do eat festival, but not too much. I'm gonna eat like half of one or something. I don't really like all the carbs, but it's a solid festival still. I'll give it festival 8 out of 10. These are the wings. They're fried and they put like a bit of jerk sauce on it. I'll take a bite. Okay. Not bad. The wings, crispy. The wings by itself, it has a flavor to it. Nice solid flavor. Not too salty. The jerk sauce is just giving it like an extra kick. And they go well together. This is a solid wing. This is a solid wing. I fuck with this. I eat this again. So I give this out of 10. I'm gonna give this like an 8.5 out of 10. It's fire. The house jerk, shout out to the house jerk for the bill right here they gave me. Alright, let's move on. What's up? You still got the oxtail poutine in there?
I still have some oxtail, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's right in my eyeballs.
Right in your eyeballs.
Tired.
Right? Long day today. Very long day. So right now we're at Jerk Express. We're gonna try out their oxtail poutine.
Filming me. I know I'm pretty, but not tonight when I'm hot and tired. Saucy mouth.
Right?
Yeah. That's what you do when you're 60. You say whatever.
Boom. All right.
Right?
Thank you. You have a good night, okay?
Is there? You're gonna
I got
tap
it. I got
for
it.
me, though.
I didn't tap it already?
No.
I could have sworn I tapped it.
Please enjoy.
I will enjoy. Boom, 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 boom. Got it?
Yeah.
All right.
Have a blessed night.
You have a blessed night too, okay? Take care.
care.
Yeah. First time having an oxtail poutine, by the way. Courtesy of Jerk Express. As you can see, this, I've never seen anything looking like this before still. They still got a bone in it. I was hoping they were going to give me the oxtail without the bone. But it is what it is. Otherwise, though, I'm not going to lie. The food's looking pretty scrumptious. They got like some onion on it. The cheese. Just to make it look really good. All right. Let's take a bite. I'm going to try the oxtail first, actually. Oxtail. Hold on. We got going different. All right. Okay. Right off the bat, I'm not even going to lie. The oxtail has flavor. What? However, it's a little bit on the gamey side. They should have cooked it a little bit more. Oxtail is supposed to be a fall off the bone type of thing. You know what I mean? This is not fall off the bone. This is got a little bit of a gaminess to it. If you understand what I'm trying to say. Like this, I don't like my oxtail like this. I'm probably not gonna eat the rest of this, to be honest. The oxtail itself, I don't fuck with it, to be honest. 5 out of 10 for oxtail itself. Now, let me dip into the poutine. Okay. Okay. The poutine itself, the cheese, the gravy, the seasoning that they put on top of it, the vegetables, whatever, fire. Fire. But the oxtail itself, I'm not really fuck with it. Like I said, it's like on the gaming side. It's like niggas didn't cook the shit more enough type shit. Nah. Would I get this again, to be honest? No, I'm not fucking with it still. Meal overall, give it like a 5 out of 10. Not the best poutine I've ever had. First time having an oxtail poutine. Come again? Come again? Yo, move the camera. What's up?
Pick up Willie's Jerk restaurant with
Yes?
the best jerk chicken.
Okay.
And Oxtail.
Okay. See you tomorrow, mom. Take care. You know how it goes, fam. You gotta get everything. But yeah. I'll eat the rest of the fries, the cheese, everything, but the oxtail itself, I'm not eating that. Like I said, overall, 5 out of 10. Jerk Express, will I come back and get this? Fuck no. We came to JerkFest, tried a couple of foods. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Machiavelli, and we out. Peace.